Once upon a time in the quaint village of Eldoria, nestled between lush green hills and a serene river, lived the Patel family. The Patels were known for their deep bonds and the warmth they shared, which radiated like the golden sun on a crisp spring morning. Their home was a haven of love, trust, and care, and it was within these walls that the true essence of behavioral health flourished. The family comprised of Raj, the wise and gentle father, Priya, the nurturing and spirited mother, and their 3 children, Asha, a thoughtful and kind teenager, Kiran, an adventurous and creative middle child, and little Meera, a joyful and curious 6-year-old. Raj and Priya believed that a strong family foundation was crucial for the well-being of their children. They made it a priority to create an environment where each member felt valued, heard, and loved. This commitment became the cornerstone of their family life, shaping the children into resilient and emotionally healthy individuals. Every evening, the Patels gathered around the dinner table, a tradition that symbolized unity and togetherness. They shared stories about their day, celebrated successes, and supported each other through challenges. Raj and Priya encouraged open communication, ensuring that Asha, Kiran, and Meera felt comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. This transparency fostered a deep sense of trust, enabling the children to approach their parents with any concern or joy, knowing they would be met with understanding and compassion. One autumn afternoon, Asha came home from school looking troubled. She had been facing bullying from a classmate, and the weight of the experience was beginning to affect her self-esteem and happiness. That evening, as the family sat down for dinner, Raj noticed the worry lines on his daughter's face. Instead of dismissing it, he gently asked, "Asha, is everything okay? You seem a bit down today." Asha hesitated, but the genuine concern in her father's voice and the supportive gazes of her mother and siblings gave her the courage to share her ordeal. As she spoke, tears welled up in her eyes, and her voice trembled. Priya reached out and held her hand, offering silent reassurance. Kiran and Meera listened attentively, their young hearts aching for their sister. Raj and Priya listened without interruption, allowing Asha to express her feelings fully. They validated her emotions, letting her know that it was okay to feel hurt and scared. Once Asha finished, they offered words of comfort and discussed ways to handle the situation. They emphasized the importance of standing up for oneself while seeking help when needed. Over the next few weeks, the family worked together to support Asha. Raj spoke with her school to address the bullying, and Priya encouraged Asha to engage in activities that boosted her confidence. Kiran and Meera, in their own ways, made sure Asha never felt alone. Kiran, with his artistic flair, drew pictures to cheer her up, while Meera's infectious laughter and innocent questions provided a much-needed distraction. The Patel family's unwavering support helped Asha navigate through her difficulties. She began to rebuild her confidence and learned valuable lessons about resilience and self-worth. The experience also strengthened the family bond, reinforcing the importance of being there for one another. As years passed, Asha, Kiran, and Meera grew into emotionally healthy and well-adjusted adults. They carried the lessons of love, trust, and care into their own lives, fostering strong relationships and promoting good behavioral health in their own families. The village of Eldoria continued to admire the Patel family, not just for their unity, but for the profound impact they had on their children's well-being. Raj and Priya's commitment to creating a loving, trustworthy, and caring environment proved to be the foundation of their family's happiness and mental health. In the end, the story of the Patels serves as a timeless reminder of the importance of nurturing family relationships. It teaches us that through love, trust, and care, we can create a sanctuary where behavioral health thrives and each member feels valued and supported, ready to face the world with confidence and resilience. If you found this story inspiring and believe in the power of family bonds, please like this video so that the algorithm can help others discover this message.